Yes, I'm getting out here pretty late. Kind of going through my stuff here. That was part of the A-arms that I'm redoing for this thing. But I was getting the measurements off these tabs here. That's for the shock tower, upper A-arm, and here I've got plug this. That's not plugged in. Let me plug this in. Get a little more light out here. It is quite late out here. So this is the lower A-arms where they connect up here too, and I'm hoping this comes out. So what I'm planning on doing is taking these and grind all this down nice and cleaned up, and I'm going to utilize these here because the bracket's already on here, and just work it in. So I've been sitting here trying to figure out how I want to run the A-arms. And I'm thinking about maybe running some tubing up here, like go straight up here, on all four sides, you know, and then connect with angle iron here, and put the tabs for the upper A-arms, and then have tubing running from the top over here. It'll kind of go around, somehow make it come around here, and then down at the bottom here, come in here and go over here to the A-arm, here, somewhere over here, and then the top will come around. I kind of like come off this one here, kind of go around to fit my body. So I'll be sitting probably right here. So I'd imagine that this is going to be like 2 feet right here, and then come in here and tie into these tubes right here, because this is the part that got bent up. If you can see, it's kind of flattened out, so I'll probably have to readjust it. I am going to keep this air. I cut off the sides, the mud guards, so I'm going to end up keeping the air box thing here, and somewhere mount the gas tank back here, I think, maybe, or up here. Not really sure where I'll mount the gas tank. Somewhere up top, or so it'll feed down to the carburetor. So yeah, but I wanted to show the the new toys. I got new tools. I can say toys. There's the Hobart. I assembled the welding table, and this is the Hobart. I don't know if you can see that with the camera. It's a Hobart 140. It runs off the house. I ran a hard line out to here and plugged it in here. So that's all. It's like 100 feet of wire I had to run out here. But this is going to run off 20 amps, the 20 amp circuit breaker, and I got a nice clamp for it, and then I just purchased this at Tractor Supply, the DeWalt chop saw. Kind of like it. But I actually have not used it yet. So that's that. So that's a 14-inch. I paid $175 for this. That was on sale at Tractor Supply out here in Gilmer, Texas. And I got that, the Hobart welder in Longview, Texas. I believe that was there. So I got some upgrades, and I'm just probably gonna hang on to this old saw. I'm gonna probably use it when I cut wood and stuff, because it still works. And I've just going out here, setting up my shop again, because I had it all in the winter time in the house, in the back room back here. That's where I had my shop set up when I was working on the Honda CT70 in that back room. There's the buggy. But I was thought about trying to figure out how to use it again, but I'm just gonna take measurements off of it and redo the whole carrier, because it's not going to be this narrow anymore. It's going to be, spread out. So just kind of leaving it out here. But yeah, just wanted to come out here and put this welder away. I actually didn't run it today. I just wanted to get out and get a video of it, but I'm not leaving it out here unlocked. This is over $500. But it's pretty nice welder. I'm using 0.030 or 0.30 flux core, and but right now it's gonna go back to bed in this little storage cabinet. It's kind of a pain in the ass. It weighs about 40 pounds. So I'm gonna put this baby to bed. It's quite heavy. I don't know if I can fit that in there. I think that's too big. I'll just have to cover it up. Let's put my smock over it. Pick me up a leather smock. But that's kind of my update. Let's kind of put things away. And I do got some air tools I've been buying over time to run off the compressor. This thing is pretty good. Central pneumatic. And this one I picked up at Walmart. Got some power behind it. Down here. I was using this today. I actually picked up some saw blades. This is actual saw blade. They had these over at Harbor Freight. Little bitty saw blades, using to cut plastic and stuff. I'll put this stuff away. Out of sight, out of mind, I guess. But I kind of like to stay a little bit, trying to put my tools away when I'm done with them. Hopefully all this turns out. Now I picked up this light, man, at Walmart. I got another one just like it. This thing lights up the whole shop, man. You got totally adjustable, and just some of the things in the shop you can see. See if I can put anything else in there. So. Yeah, I'm still gathering tools. I'm gonna get ready to start fabricating here maybe tomorrow. You know, if I get off my lazy butt. You know, being retired, I kind of gotten lazy over the years. But oh, whatever. It's my life. But got pretty much all the tools I need. You know, I got my tubing bender, which probably is, you know, I'll probably have to fill them pipes with sand. I got some sand over here that I'm going to use in this bucket. This is actually pool filter sand. It's real granularly. So put this away. That actually goes in the car. Now I've had this box for 12 years or so. Been using it. So at least I can kind of lock up the welder. That's the more expensive piece. But yeah, that's about it for that. Shop fan. And some piping and steel tubing. So soon I'll be doing some fabrication. Well, hope everything turned out. I hope you got enough light to see this stuff. Have a nice day.